Hi, I'm Joan Lok. On May 21st, 2022, Saturday, I'll be teaching a workshop on painting daylily. Many may think of carnation as a flower for Mother's Day, but when it comes to the Chinese culture, when we think of mothers, we think of the daylily. So to celebrate Mother's Day, in May, my workshop on flowers will be painting the daylily. You may want to know where we stroke in order to make the flower. And the flower has 6 different petals, and each stroke would become a petal. So I'll teach you how to load the brush with different colors, how to make different stroke to depict the 6 petals, and also how to add the colors to enhance the trumpet shape of the daylily. On top of that, I will also talk about the culture of why daylily is the symbol of maternal care. So I hope to see you on May 21st, 2022 in my daylily workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.